Aknes and I'm from class C afternoon and now I'm semester 7. Here I will promote one of the waterfalls in Bengkayang Region C, namely is Berawan Waterfall, and which is located in the Direct of Seluas. Okay, next for watching the video. Berawan Waterfall, also called Berawan, is one of the waterfalls located in the Bengkayang region, Bengkayang Regency, which Kalimantan Province. With a height of about 75 meters, Berawan is one of the natural attractions that attract the attention of tourists to come visit. The water source of Berawan comes from the Bengkayang tributary located at the foot of the Bengkayang mountain range. The high-clad area with an altitude of about 160 meters above sea level makes Berawan have a sound boom that echoes around the location. Before researching the Berawan area, tourists will be spoiled with view of the green mountain that stretch beautifully and various types of community plantation in the Seluas district area. According to stories from local people, Berawan is so named because it's come from the Dayak Bakati language Rara Berawan, which means gold. That said, this name comes from a legendary story believed by the local population. The story tells that there was once a big battle between a kind snake and a werewolf of the local community. However, the werewolf magic named to get conquer the big snake, and the pieces of the snake body turned into a fairly large and very high waterfall or cascade. Then a deer appeared that lit up a golden light. This is where the name Berawan began. In its story, Berawan became a place that was considered sacred by the local community. Apart from being an interesting tourist attraction, Berawan is also used as a place to perform traditional ceremony by the Skarding community. This traditional ceremony is usually performed to ask for blessing and safety in everyday life. However, to reach Berawan, tourists must pass a ferry during the end time. With its stunning natural beauty and unique underlying legend, Berawan Waterfall is a tourist destination not to be missed. However, tourists should still pay attention to safety and security while visiting Berawan Waterfall. The waterfall can also be a place for taking beautiful photos because we can directly blend in with nature. So it is not uncommon for couples to just to take wedding photo here, and there are even tourists who comes to tour the Kondli waterfall. This is all I can say about the Kondli waterfall, and don't forget to visit the Kondli waterfall tourist destination in West Kalimantan. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.